Hi lovelies, hope you're doing well. Hope you're having the best weekend. Thank you. We have emptied the stock not too long ago, and then Vic's Pharmaclane restocked only last week and ran out again of her maintenance substance. Oh my gosh, guys. Wow. Yeah, it happened so quick, you guys. So, will I call this a revolution? Nah, I wouldn't. See, I'm just a nerd. Lazy toe. Now you understand why I've chosen the relaxer bundle from Vic's Pharmaclane. Cause yeah, it just saves me all the drama you have to go through. Cause you're a natural. Yeah. So friends, because we've cleared the relaxer bundle only this morning, I'm wondering what we're gonna do. How do we achieve the under 120 minutes wash day routine? Now to keep the episode short and sweet, once you review this video again, you're able to see the samples at the very beginning. Oh, for your convenience, the packagings for the 2-in-1 solutions have evolved over time. Your order looks more like this baby right here on the screen. Alright. Holy dooly. I just realized I'm using my last batch. I'm screwed. I'm about to be vulnerable. Oh my god. Thanks Pharmaclane, you're listening. Bring back the stock. Quickly. Bring back my relaxer bundle. I can never be serious. Bye bye now. Take care.